In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your Zelle transactions on Wells Fargo. If you've ever needed a quick, reliable way to review what you've sent or received with Zelle through your Wells Fargo account, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and clear so you know exactly where to tap and what to look for. First, open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your phone and sign in. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection and that your app is up to date, since updates often improve performance and fix minor display issues. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's your username and password or your device's biometric authentication. As always, keep your login details private and never share them. Once you're in the app, head to Pay and Transfer. This is the hub for moving money, scheduling payments, and of course accessing Zelle. From there, select Zelle. If you don't see Zelle right away, you might need to scroll slightly, or your profile may need to be enrolled before the option appears. Some features can vary based on your account type or app version, but most users will find Zelle right within Pay and Transfer. Now look for the Activity section and tap it. Activity is where your Zelle transaction history lives. This page collects all your Zelle movements so you don't have to jump between different screens to figure out what happened and when. From here, simply browse the list of transactions. You'll see both money you've sent and money you've received through Zelle in one place. Each entry typically includes the date, the amount, the recipient or sender, and the status, such as pending, completed, or cancelled. If you want more detail on a specific payment, tap that transaction to open its details page. There you may see additional information like a memo, the last 4 digits of the funding account, and a confirmation or reference ID that can be helpful if you ever need to follow up. If your history looks shorter than expected, check that you're in the Zelle Activity section and not a general account history view, since only Zelle payments will appear here. Depending on your app version, you may also see options to filter by status or sort by date, which can make it easier to locate a particular payment. That's it. By opening the Wells Fargo app, going to Pay and Transfer, selecting Zelle, and tapping Activity, you'll see your complete Zelle transaction history in one convenient place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Zelle payments organized and easy to review.